Okay, so this is our first ever POV from Coaster Stop on Viktor Vandorm at Bonbon Land. Bye bye, bye bye. She was nice, she was waving to us. So this is a seater, it's 750 meters long. And as you can see, it's a very long train. We're sitting in the back row.
That was our speed.
It was quite some speed. It feels like it was gonna stop now instead. That's what's really fun with roller coasters that has these long trains. These long trains. Hey. People are actually riding this water slides here. They're also riding the river rafting ride in this park. So again, this is a seater in this park. They have 2-seater roller coasters and 2 Gerslauers.
Now we're going to park here.
Yep, we're gonna take a stop.
No,
Yeah, there we go. Hey.
Oh my god, I feel like I'm going to fall out.
Yeah, actually. Oh, now we're gonna stop again.
Get up, get up.
Yeah, and we're gonna have a second lift hill here to get us back to the station.
But the speed. Can you walk?
Oh, oh my god, we're gonna fall off. It's fantastic. So this is it's kind of fun. We did Tusenfryd not that long ago in Norway, and that park is owned and operated by Parques Reunidos, which also owns this park, Bonbon Land. Here you can see the other coasters. So this does 2 laps, by the way. So you're gonna just slide through the station here and go for lap number 2. There's a lot of smoke in the river rafting ride over there. I wonder if it's intended or if something happened. And here we're gonna drop again. Woo-hoo-hoo! Okay, with this roller coaster, I like that part.
Oh,
that part. That's it. Still, I like that it's long though.
Yeah.
I have to say.
Time to look around.
Yeah.
Enjoy it.
Yeah. Goes a little bit over and inside the lake here. I also like that. So when this brakes, it actually moves the station.
Oh yeah.
So the station is swaying back and forth when the coaster leaves and brakes inside the station.
And I have to say, that was more scary than...
Oh yeah, wait. Yeah, it was more scary than the roller coaster. I agree.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is... We think that the swing ride here today, Sven, something like that.
Oh, yeah.
We think it's closed. We think they're waiting for spare parts. Like, I'm falling off. Oh, it's amazing. Wow. Viktor Vandorm is one really fun roller coaster here. No, not really fun. Fun.
It's fun.
Funny. Funny. Not fun. It's a funny roller coaster. So if you're watching this POV, make sure that you watch the full vlog from this park, Bonbon Land. And here we go. Now we're gonna brake. I'm gonna move the station. My back is hurting a little bit.
Your back?
My back is hurting a little bit. Got a cramp in my back. Can you have a cramp in your back?
I don't think so.
No, okay. At least I tried it. There we go.